This is how you can turn your YouTube videos into leads generating machine through IG. I've helped over 50 creators, business owners to create effective content for their businesses. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly the steps how you can do it. So stay tuned, let's dive in. So if you are a creator and creating content on social media, I'm sure you've seen this content strategy before, but you never tried it. So if you are focusing on creating YouTube content and getting engagement, this is how you can effectively use this strategy. So let's say your topic is about stop losing money, the mistakes avoid. So think about it, this is a carousel post. So this is going to be the hook. This is an example. Let's go for the first section. If we go down, the first problem, stuck in the past. Buyers have changed, media has changed, and your strategy must evolve to keep up. So let's say you are making a YouTube content about something that is, the topic is over 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you are solving a problem. So what you need to do, so you are going to turn that topic into a carousel post for IG. This is going to be the first one. The second one goes, outdated buyers persona. This is a pain point from your topic. You can create it like this. So understand your buyers' psychographics and current behaviors. No primary traffic channel. Your audience lives and dominate there before expanding to others. So the topics you are going to talk about is going to be the steps you are talking in the YouTube videos. So people going to slide, read it. And then goes to weak lead generation and nurture, capturing leads at every stage and nurture them. Some clients may buy in 18 months. So people sometimes doesn't have time to stay 20 minutes, 30 minutes to watch your videos. This is how you can easily turn them to watch and learn this type of content. So we go to the next step. No lifetime value plan. Your existing clients are your best asset. Then this is the best part. People are sliding like, reading the content you have made, and then boom, this is the call to action. You have to have this call to action at the end of your carousel. Comment 2025 for the full video. So this is what you need to do. When you create this type of content, you have to implement ManyChat. What is ManyChat? The automation when someone comments 2025 from your IG, immediately you will send the message to them. So for example, here you go, this is the full video you can watch, and there will be the link for the YouTube video. And if they go and watch the YouTube video, boom, this is the win. You will easily nurture them and they will trust you more, and they will be attracted into your services, or maybe they will take your free ebook, or maybe they will sign up for your free newsletter, like email newsletter, something like that. So if you are not doing this strategy, you are missing out. So make sure you use this strategy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Comment for more videos and I can help you and teach you more stuff about social media when it comes to generating leads. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.